Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CBSE Class 12 Business Studies Syllabus 2023 to 2024. The syllabus of a Business Studies Class 12 CBSE 2023 to 2024 is divided into three parts A, B and C. Part A consists Principles and Functions of Management. Part B consists Business, Finance and Marketing. Part C consists Project Work. The Business Studies theory paper is conducted for a total of 80 marks. These marks are divided into 50 for Part A and 30 for Part B of CBSE Class 12 Business Studies Syllabus 2023 to 2024. CBSE has also deleted some topics from the syllabus for this session 2023 to 2024. A major section is deleted from Chapter 3 Business Environment. Now let's discuss CBSE Class 12 Business Studies Chapter-wise weightage. Part A Principles and Functions of Management, the Nature and Significance of Management. Principle of Management Business Environment consists of weightage of 16 marks. Planning Organizing consists of weightage of 14 marks. Staffing, Directing, Controlling consists of weightage of 20 marks. In Part B Business, Finance and Marketing, Financial Market and Financial Management consists of weightage of 15 marks. Marketing Management and Consumer Protection consists of weightage of 15 marks. In Part C, the project consists of weightage of 20 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Business Studies Syllabus 2023 to 2024. In Part A, Nature and Significance of Management consists Concept and Need and Importance of Management, Management as Science, Art and Profession, Level of Management, Management Functions, Concept of Coordination. In Principle of Management consists Principles of Management, False Principle of Management, Tailored Scientific Management. In Business Environment consists Business Environment, Dimensions of Business Environment, Demonetization. In Planning consists Concept, Importance and Limitation of Planning, Planning Process, Single Use and Standing Plans. In Directing, important topics are Concept and Importance of Directing, Elements of Directing, Maslow Hierarchy of Needs, Communication. In Controlling, important topics are Concept and Importance of Controlling, Relationship between Planning and Controlling, Steps in Process of Control. In Part B, Business, Finance and Marketing, the Financial Management consists Concept, Role and Objective of Financial Management, Financial Decisions, Financial Planning, Capital Structure, Fixed and Working Capital. In Financial Market consists Concept of Financial Market, Concept of Money Market, Capital Market and its types, Stock Exchange, Securities and Exchange Board of India. In Marketing consists Concept, Functions and Philosophies of Marketing, Marketing Mix, Product Price, Fiscal Distribution, Promotion. In Consumer Protection, Concept, Importance of Consumer Protection, the Consumer Protection Act 2019, Consumer Awareness. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Business Studies Project Work. Students are required to choose one unit out of the 4 and create one project based on the selected unit for Part C Project Work. The Project 1 Elements of Business Environment, Project 2 Principles of Management, Project 3 Stock Exchange, Project 4 Marketing. Let's check the project work marking schemes. Initiative, Cooperativeness and Participation consists 2 marks. Presentation and Creativity consists 2 marks. Content, Observation and Research work consists 4 marks. Situation Analysis consists 4 marks. Viva consists 8 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Business Studies Deleted Syllabus 2023 to 2024. In Chapter 3 Business Environment, the deleted topics are Impact of Government Policy, Changes on Business and Industry with special reference to adoption of policies of liberalization, privatization and globalization. In Chapter 7 Directing, Qualities of a Good Leader. In Chapter 8 Controlling, Techniques of Controlling. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Business Studies question paper pattern. The Remembering and Understanding consists 55% with 44 marks. Application of Knowledge and Information consists 23.75% with 19 marks. Analyzing, Evaluation and Creativeness consists 21.25% with 17 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Business Studies books. Business Studies 1 by NCERT Publication, Business Studies 2 by NCERT Publication, Business Studies for Class 12 by Subhash De, Case Studies Mentor in Business Studies Class 12 by Alka Dhawan, ABDS Bulai Business Studies Case Study Class 12 by Neeru Sethi. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.